My name is Krina Baltag. I'm Associate Professor in International Arbitration at Stockholm University, and I had the honor of chairing the selection committee of the second edition of the Prize for Best Article in International Dispute Resolution, an initiative of the Dispute Resolution Interest Group of the American Society of International Law. The selection committee was comprised of excellent academics and practitioners: Olaibisi Akingube, Nicolas Angelet, Danae Azaria, Cian Bao, Julian Fure, Silvina Napolitano, Mohamed Mayani, and Esme Cirlo. All these members had the difficult and pleasant task of reviewing excellent submissions in the field of international dispute resolution, published articles ranging from investment arbitration to international commercial arbitration, dispute resolution processes before the ICJ, before the European Court of Human Rights, and so on. It was a difficult task of reviewing over 34 publications, but at the same time, the committee was impressed with the quality of the submissions. We had two rounds in the selection process. The first round, where all the submissions accepted went through the review of the members of the selection committee, and a ranking was based on certain criteria, including the depth of research, the sophistication of the analysis, originality, quality of writing, and the potential impact on the field of international dispute resolution. The top 5 papers made it to the second round of reviews, where each member of the selection committee reviewed the shortlisted papers, and the decision regarding the winner of the prize was taken by the chair of the selection committee, together with the co-chairs of the dispute resolution interest group of the American Society of International Law. As I was saying, it was not an easy task, but a winner had to be selected. And we'd like to congratulate Dr. Veronika Fikfak, Associate Professor in International Law at the University College London, UCL, for her excellent publication and for winning the second edition of the Best Article in International Dispute Resolution Prize. Her article was published in July 2022 in the International Journal of Constitutional Law, and it's titled "Against Settlement Before the European Court of Human Rights." As anybody reading this article will note, this is a groundbreaking research. Dr. Fikfak critically addresses the amicable settlement before the European Court of Human Rights, noting that since 1980s until today, settlements before the European Court of Human Rights amounted to 50% of all reported cases, while focusing and underscoring the imbalance between the parties in the proceedings. As it's readily noticeable, the article is important, as certain takeaways can be extrapolated to the context of international dispute resolution broadly, and in particular focusing on settlement and the role of mediation at international level in international dispute resolution. Dr. Fikfak's achievement was acknowledged at the 2024 American Society of International Law annual meeting, which took place in Washington, D.C. Of course, a prize was duly given to Dr. Fikfak, noting that she's already a member of the American Society of International Law. I would say that the process was very rewarding for the selection committee. It was an absolute pleasure reading high-quality submissions. And while I was saying it was not an easy task to decide the winner of this second edition of the prize, it was a unanimous decision. We'd like to congratulate Dr. Veronika Fikfak. We'd like to tell you to make sure to participate in the third edition of the prize for Best Article in International Dispute Resolution. Make sure you stay tuned to find out about more details about the submission process, and also the relevant dates. All in all, it is a rewarding and excellent experience. And of course, for the Dispute Resolution Interest Group of the American Society of International Law, it is a wonderful initiative recognizing the relevance of publication of research in international dispute resolution. On behalf of the selection committee and on my behalf, we'd like to thank the Dispute Resolution Interest Group, the co-chairs, the American Society of International Law, and again to congratulate all participants and also the winner of the second edition of the prize, Dr. Veronica Fikfak. Thank you.